Just want to show you a cool effect I was playing with. If we get on the rectangle tool, we draw a rectangle out covering our full image like that. Let's just double click on the fills, single click on the fills, click on a gradient fill. Ooh, what should we have? It's quite laggy on these things. Don't know why it's so laggy. Maybe it's because of the screen recorder. That's good. Let's have one of those. Let's cancel that. Oh, I want to get on the transform tools. Then I want to press Alt, scale it down a little bit, waiting for it to catch up, and then rotate it and say 3 degrees, and then click OK. If I press Ctrl Alt Shift T, it will repeat that transformation over and over and over and over, and just keep going off to infinity. Just gotta wait for it to catch up now. Brilliant. The void. Could probably put a background in there as well. Drag it down to the background, and let's give that a gradient fill too. So, cool. Thank you for watching. Ctrl Alt Shift T.